So what is this stock doing? GME, and also I got something very important and something very good. But before that, follow me on Instagram. I'm back on Instagram. I got the link down in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and you can see more updates and more. And join the group so you can find more uh, daily trades, more swing trades, long terms, how I'm making profits and all. So coming back to GME. So GME right now trading at $24.12 for today. So this is, I'm looking for the 15 minutes chart right here. So as you folks, as you know, yesterday the market got closed and we just got a solid pop right here, and now again we are start consolidating right here, right? So look at something really important, right? So this is the consolidation on 15 minutes chart that we are right now making on this 15 minutes chart. So is it possible that this stock will flush down below $24? Well, folks, we are on a consolidation period. So I will go on a daily chart and you will see something really interesting. On a daily chart, you see already the U shape start forming right here, right? The U shape. So that will make you as a W pattern on the daily chart, a W pattern on a daily chart. So what I will do here, look at this. Before that, we were looking for this downtrend, and now we are continuing to go uptrend. But this can take a little while again, folks. This can take really a while. So this can take even few days because the volume is getting thinner and thinner and thinner. It's getting very, very thin, the volume. Right now, I'm on GME. I'm sitting on $222,000 unrealized loss with 55,000 shares, $1.5 million invested in GME. Well, folks, of course, this stock has to shoot up, and it will shoot up. We'll get the squeeze, we'll take our profits, and we'll go out. Again, pay attention. Never gamble in any kind of stock. It can be GME, it can be any stock in the market. Never gamble. Have some knowledge and learn how to read the patterns, the charts, and all, so you can realize how to approach the market, how to approach the stock or the company's behavior or the stock behavior. Doesn't matter in what company. So don't want to make it too long. So on a 4 hours chart, GME, we are on again a very tight consolidation. Folks, as I told you, we are in a very tight consolidation that we might break this $25.14. If we break above, of course, the next thing we are getting is $27.50. So the first thing we have to break this. You see here, we already got two rejections here. One is 1 and the 2. The two rejections, what we got here, and now the third one, we are trying to form a downtrend. Well, folks, we're trying to form the downtrend, but if it goes right in this way on a 4 hour chart, of course, we'll be down 6.58%, and that will reach to $22.56. Well, if it doesn't, that this can really bounce back up and go back to $25. We have multiple scenarios on this stock right now. We are sitting on a kind of like on a 50-50 position, but not really on a clear pattern that tomorrow this stock will gonna squeeze. Well, on my channel, I'm not telling something hype news and all, because I don't want you to get hyped. I don't want you to believe something what is not real. I'm telling what is real. I'm telling something what is happening. I'm not telling something, hey, this is not happening and just watch my video. Of course, sometimes it's very hard to digest, but it's the truth. Of course, we are waiting for that squeeze, but again, patience is the key. Patience is the massive key that we are holding, folks. Now, GME on this area on a 4 hour chart, we are trending downwards, right? We are trending downwards. Again, we are looking for that one candle which really breaks $24.50. When it breaks above, we will be again on the uptrend. Once we start the uptrend, there are high possible chances that this stock will go above $25.55 and make that as a solid resistance. So look at here, folks. this resistance that we want this stock to make. To touch $25.81. Once we touch this, we will cross that. Once we cross that, we want the stock to hold it very tight, to hold it very strong, and make that resistance and turn it into a support. Once we turn it into a support, then we are changing a game. But again, folks, it will take a little while, folks. It will take a little while. Well, let's go on a weekly chart and see what is going on. Here we go. On a weekly chart, we got a red Doge candle. So today we are sitting hello on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we got 2 days more that we can come back on this stock on $25.50. If we sit above, folks, this will be very good thing. But if we don't sit, again, we are still on a good side because the volume, as you see right here, got very, very thin. The volume got very, very thin here. Right now, since past 2 weeks, the volume got lower and lower. And if I go to daily chart, you will see the same scenario. You got the buying yesterday a lot, but again, today's selling was less. That means there can be two scenarios. It can be the shorts are getting added, which is a good sign, or else a lot of folks who got really afraid or scared, they just sold off, right? So now you see here on the uptrending line, we are taking that as a support and we are just climbing very, very slow. But again, patience is the key. Always I tell you, patience is the key. Folks, I took another trade today. So that is Tesla. So that is my daily trade, Tesla, $28,000 and $684 profit only for today. This was in one single trade, $28,684, one single trade. Join the group. You will enjoy and you will have a massive benefit. You can make this profit, folks. You can make this profit also on the side. Join the Instagram, and on the Instagram, you'll find everything and you'll have a lot of information on the Instagram. Folks, you'll have a lot of benefits on the group, and you will love it. You will make a lot of profit, and you're gonna love the information. You will not regret. Trust me, you'll not regret. Trust me, you'll not regret. So this is the trade that we took today, Tesla, and $28,684 profit we got on Tesla, folks. You see again right here, where's my mouse? Realized gain $28,000. This is a closed position. So going back to GME here, GME sitting unrealized loss on $225,000. Again, we are looking for this uptrend right here towards $30. The first mark we'll be looking for the support is $25.50. That's the first mark that we will be looking, and that GME has to cross that $25.50. And again, let's go something on a 2 hours chart and see what is going to something really interesting on a 2 hours chart. Folks, on a 2 hours chart, again, we are in the same thing you see here, the W pattern here. So we are making kind of like same ranges right here that for the W pattern, but once we cross that 47 mark, massive 47 marks, if we come to the massive 47 marks, let's say on a worst case scenario, if you flush down, then again, we will be forming head and shoulder pattern. But if not, if it just shoots up, we will be forming officially the W pattern on 2 hours chart. So the consolidation goes absolutely the same on even in this 2 hours chart, but kind of a little slightly different than what we are expecting. Here is $22.42 here and $27.12. So in 2 hours chart, we are kind of on a very little open very little open consolidation, not really tight, between $27 and between $22. These are the consolidation on 2 hours chart. Well, folks, I think we will, of course, will past this, but again, it'll take a little time. Look at the volume even here. The volume is absolutely declining, and we see here we want this kind of volume right here. We want increase in the volume, and we already got the decline volume even on the selling side. And look at the candles on a daily chart. We got the massive declining volume here. Red candles are literally, they are disappearing. They are getting thinner, thinner and thinner. They are disappearing, these red candles. We want gradually take that off with the beautiful small green candles. Then we can climb this upward trend line, and then we can make a massive progress in the stock. Folks, thank you so much for watching this video. And GME, I'm holding tight, hold tight. And folks, again, I'm going to show you here Tesla. This was my daily trade for Tesla, $28,648. Sorry, $84. So you can join the Instagram. I'm back on Instagram. It's the link down in the description on Instagram. You can join there. And also you can join the group if you want. You will not regret it. You're going to love it, and you will make profits. I hope so. You can trade side by side with me and make some profit and change your lives. Never gamble in the stock market. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.